Introduce highlight features or overview summary of Grelawner 15.5 amp, 16-inch electric Dethatcher and Scarifier, lawn dethatcher with foldable design, 14.5 gallon bag. Grelawner electric Dethatcher and Scarifier, powerful 2-in-1 lawn care machine. The brushless 15.5 amp electric Dethatcher and Scarifier is designed for powerful, efficient, and reliable lawn care. Its copper motor delivers up to 3,600 RPM, offering strong performance, durability, and excellent heat dissipation. With its 2-in-1 quick-release system, users can easily switch between scarifying and dethatching blades, scarifying to improve aeration and stimulate new grass growth, or dethatching to remove built-up thatch and restore lawn health. A 5-position depth adjustment ensures tailored care, while the 16-inch working width covers more ground in less time. Weighing just 29.8 pounds, this machine includes a foldable handle, adjustable height, and a 14.5-gallon collection bag for easy cleanup, making lawn maintenance simple, efficient, and effective. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.